In this course, we will see exactly how you can build Amazon affiliate sites that will generate hundreds or even thousands of dollars in commissions every month like clockwork. We will be seeing how to build sites like these. Sites that rank on the first page of Google and other search engines for scores or even hundreds of phrases with minimal link building. And these sites can survive any Google algo update that's aimed at getting rid of spam sites and sites that use black hat methods. Because these are content rich sites that Google loves and do not use any black hat methods to rank. This course has been divided into several sections: niche research, keyword research, site structure, basics of building a WordPress site, how to make a WordPress site load very fast, basics of on-page SEO, and advanced on-page SEO. That said, there's no reason to get overwhelmed by the amount of content here. Make it a point to watch just a few videos every day, and in a few weeks or so, you will know all that you need to know to build a very profitable Amazon affiliate site. At its heart, the process is really simple, but mastering it takes time. You wouldn't want to try to watch all of the videos in a couple of days. Learning this takes time, and trying to do it all at once can make it all seem very confusing and you might get overwhelmed. And watching these videos is not enough. You will need to actually build these sites all by yourself before you will be able to get an intuitive understanding of the whole process. Only by applying the material covered here and actually building these sites will you be able to learn the whole process. The good thing is, once you learn how to build Amazon affiliate sites, you will be able to easily build any kind of affiliate sites, ClickBank sites, Commission Junction sites, and more. The process is almost identical with only a few minor variations. This is also a complete course in search engine optimization and building WordPress sites. Just about everything is covered here: basic SEO, site structure, and advanced SEO. That's the realm of serious professionals. So, even if you are just getting started with SEO, you will know all you need to know about SEO and building WordPress sites by the time you're done.